Hi Aries, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Aries, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's see Aries, what was to show through for you today. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Aries gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most today. Thank you. Alright Aries, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Aries, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Wow, 10 of Cups, 5 of Pentacles, the Chariot, 2 of Wands, the 2 of Cups, Hermit, the Ace of Wands, Ace of Pentacles and the Star. Aries, 9 of Wands in reverse, bottom of my deck. Somebody's feeling they don't know what to fight for anymore. There was this dream of this 10 of Cups, emotional happiness, but at the moment there is a 2 of Cups in reverse, Aries, in center of my spread. I'm sorry, I didn't expect this reading. But yes, from acute happiness of, expecting that this is like going to be forever, somebody is now feeling left out in the cold, abandoned, feeling blocked, feeling totally blocked, feeling that some decision has been made that this connection will no longer be tolerated. It sets somebody into hermit mode. Maybe somebody is praying, wishing, hoping for the Ace of Wands, a brand new beginning, but in a very hopeless kind of way. Not feeling that their dreams are actually going to come true. What is this reading, Aries, for you today? I have no clue. Let's start with some dialogue message cards and see what's happening. Okay. So, Aries and their person, Spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Aries and their person. Aries and their person. Somebody is really praying for this new beginning, for this passion, but they are seeing that their dreams are not coming true. Aries, did you do this to somebody or has somebody done this to you? Aries and their person. Aries and their person, Spirit. They could say something to each other now. And a couple more from here, Aries. Aries and that person. Alright, good to go, Aries. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, "It drives me crazy when you behave like a spoiled child who takes my love for granted. Yes, I love you unconditionally, but I'm not your parent. And quite frankly, your behavior takes a piss at times. You need to act like an adult for a relationship to work." I'm at a breaking point right now because you apologize. However, you continue to make the same mistakes. This has become a toxic behavior that needs addressing if you want this relationship to work. My God, these are strong messages, Aries. I mean, what had the potential of a 10 of Cups, one person is saying, hey, I'm leaving you out in the cold if you don't grow up. It frustrates me that I can't connect with anyone else the way I connect with you sexually. Our sexual connection is magical and no one else compares. You have half our gifts, I the other. If you would only work with me, instead of being silent and shutting me out, we could overcome any obstacles together and heal in sacred union. I haven't apologized because I don't feel deserving of your forgiveness. I haven't been able to forgive myself for how I treated you. I stopped believing in love, but after seeing your smile, I became a believer again. I love you with all my heart, mind, and body and soul. I didn't know what love was until our fated meeting. I pray that God will unite us soon because you are my destiny. I love you till the end of times. I can't get you out of my head. I think about you always. I know that we are soulmates, forever entwined for eternity. I'm in a relationship with someone else. Still, you're always on my mind and in my heart. All I want is you. I'm working through issues with my family. You're all I desire. All right, Aries, if these were resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. As always, I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for this reading. A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message? Well, you get a blessing, says heaven is watching over you. So whatever's happening in your life, please know it's the way it's written. I have no clue what you're going through, Aries, but heaven is watching over you. You are protected at all times. That's the message for you. Now, Spirit, tell us, what's this 10 of Cups with the 5 of Pentacles? Polar opposite cards. Well, there was a potential for the 10 of Cups, but somebody gave up the fight. Yeah, they made a decision to halt this connection, and I don't want to fight for this connection anymore. 5 of Pentacles. Who's feeling in the 5 of Pentacles, Spirit? Well, whoever made the decision, the other person seems to be, well, feeling very left out in the cold, almost dazed. This is like dazed feeling of, I don't know which direction to go, none of my wishes are going to come true, star in reverse, my 10 of Cups has been snatched away from me, I don't know what to do, star in reverse, 7 of Cups, confusion, feeling left out, abandoned. Chariot in reverse. Yes, because somebody put an end to this connection, Aries. One person decided, I don't want to fight for this connection, put an end to this connection and blocked the other person. So, 2 of Wands in reverse, Spirit. 2 of Wands in reverse. Yeah, I think it was becoming too much of a burden for one person to carry. I mean, look at this. I'll show you it. Somebody dropped these 9 wands, right? And said, I can't do this anymore. This burden is too much for me alone to carry. I'm not your parent. I'm not your, So you'll have to either share half the load, and if you can't have a 2 of Cups, an equal partnership, then I'm letting it go. I'm dropping this burden. Maybe I'll just keep 1 wand for myself, and that's about it. So, 2 of Cups in reverse, Spirit. 2 of Cups in reverse. 2 of Cups in reverse. Well, there is the other person who has now recognized, my God, I do have love for my person. They do want to return, Aries. But the problem here is that now they don't have the strength to face the wrath of this Queen of Wands. This Queen of Wands has that 1 wand I was talking about. So I don't think this person has the courage or the strength. There was a card which said that as well, right? I don't know how to apologize to you because I haven't been able to apologize to myself for the way I treated you. So who's in hermit mode, Spirit? What are they thinking? Who's in hermit mode now? Who's in hermit mode? Yeah, somebody has gone silent, somebody is totally by themselves. Now they are thinking about all the happiness that this connection gave them. Now when they actually gone within the little time that they are now reflecting on what happened, why this connection went down, of course they are now figuring out all the pain and hurt and whatever was caused here, which led to so much of sadness and depression. And also this person who's in hermit mode is now feeling that there is no chance of anyone taking an offer, giving an offer, because they see this Empress now in reverse and totally holding back from them. One person has totally withdrawn their energy. So what's this Ace of Wands, Spirit? Who's in the Ace of Wands energy then? What's this Ace of Wands? Okay, and the Ace of Pentacles? Give me one more for the Ace of Wands, please. There is one person, Aries, who's gone off with that one wand. Remember I told you, there's one person who's picked up that one wand and taken off for a brand new beginning. And luck is pouring on them somehow. Heaven is watching over this person, whoever made the decision to stand up for themselves. Right? They are shutting down a chapter and starting a brand new one. The other person, however, they do want to offer the stable brand new beginning, but they are still in their shadow self, still attached to the devil somehow. And maybe fear, anger, resentment, jealousy, something about seeing the other person maybe move on. This is kind of making them feel devastated. They're seeing their person, I think, leave them and this toxic behavior or this toxic connection and move on. And that's the reason their star is in reverse. Why is the star in reverse, Spirit? Ace of Swords in reverse, star in reverse, Three of one more. Wow. Just be a little mindful, Aries. Just be a little mindful. This person is still attached to their little bit of devil energy. They're still sitting in their pride and ego, and they have been manifesting maybe a return, but that hasn't happened, and their ego and pride is still there. As they are losing hope, in an effort to get unstuck, they're actually getting angrier by the day, if nothing else. It's not that they are feeling bad and they want to apologize. This person is getting very frustrated and they don't like feeling stuck, right? Right now this person is stuck because they see probably their person walking away. They do want to return, they do want to communicate, but just be a little mindful. They could be coming in with some lies or some drama here. It's like to stir the, what is it called, the beehive, to get some action. Just be careful of that. Anything else, Spirit? Anything else? Yes, this person is coming from a place of pain, depression, and even if they pretend to come, with an apology or whatever, it'll be from not a very good place. This is the King of Wands in reverse. They're doing it for themselves. It's a selfish, self-centered energy where they may even just try and say some sweet nothings, basically because they want communication. Maybe they want to find out. They don't know what the truth is. They want they're not getting information, so they may want to come and stir up something to get a reaction, but don't get fooled by this little innocent Page of Cups. Basically, they are still in this. Wow, what's this overall energy, Spirit, of the Nine of Wands in reverse? Yes, 1 second, got it. Yes, got it. All right, so Aries, like just as I said, because the other person has stopped fighting for the connection, right? One person saying, hey, bye, I'm going, tata. So that's the reason this person may come back. Spirit's advice to you is, if you do receive a message like that or something, please keep your boundaries up. Please keep yourself protected. This is not going to be fair. Right? So make sure that you protect yourself. Whatever conversation or message comes in, there's injustice in that. Okay? So not the most pleasant message, but very required, Aries. That's all I have for you for today, but we'll check more in depth next week. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.